Welcome back. In this step we are going to verify the resources. So if you see here at the end, if you see last only elastic IP got created based on the depends on whatever we have put there. Okay, so in addition to that, but we didn't say that it need to only verify for IGW, but we didn't say that it also need to wait for AWS instance, but it has been taken care because explicit dependencies will be there and automatically provider dependencies which automatically resolves also will be there. So with provider automatic dependency resolving, so it waited till AWS instance created and then only it created the elastic IP. And with respect to explicit dependency what you have created, saying that wait for till the IGW got created, so it has created the elastic IP only after the IGW got created. So like this, if there are no out of the box dependencies available and then we are facing issues at a minimal stage, we need to go ahead and then use the explicit depends on attribute, so argument. Okay, so now moving on, so we'll go back and then verify what all we have created. Okay, so we'll go to VPC here and then see if VPC what all got created. So let's go here and go to VPC. And you can see the VPC dev whatever we have said, it got created with the CIDR block 10.0.0.0.16, and inside that we also see the subnet for that VPC. So here is the subnet whatever 10.0.1.0.24, right? And if you also see route tables, so the route table which created here should be this one. Okay, and you can see 10.0.0.0.16 default one is there, and the explicit route whatever you have defined is there, and then subnet association with 10.0.1.0.24 is also there, and internet gateway should be created and then associated with VPC dev, this is also there, and it also should create the security group for you, so it should also be there. We dev VPC default SG with inbound rules 80 and then 22, so this is also good. Next thing here is we need to go to our EC2 and then find our EC2 instance got created. So let's go here, and our EC2 instance is running, it got created, and if you see here its IP address is 54.85.18.156. so verify the same here inside the elastic IPs. Okay, 54.85.18.156. so elastic IP got created and then associated with our EC2 instance. So another thing we need to check now is whether the default application whatever you have deployed as part of user data is accessible or not. Okay, so you can see it is accessible. Welcome to Stack Simplify AWS Infra created using Terraform in US East 1 region. So whatever we have created, it is available for us. And next thing is, if you want to connect to that mission, right, you can go here, go to the terminal and clear, and so it should be present in users the downloads, the Terraform file. Okay, so it is present here, Terraform. So I'll say chmod 400 and I'll say users the downloads and terraform-key.pem. Now I'll say ssh-i users the downloads terraform-key.pem and ec2-user @ and then I'll paste the elastic IP and then try to connect to this mission. Okay, so now I should be inside this EC2 user -10.0.1.20. Okay, so if I say ps-ef grep httpd, right, so httpd process should be running. So that's about it. So we logged into also using the Terraform key whatever we provided in the EC2 instance. Okay, so this completes the verification part. So I'm back to my Kalyan's MacBook Pro. Okay, and our next step is to move on with the cleanup. Okay, so now destroy Terraform resources whatever we have created. Okay, so I'm going to say Terraform destroy, and now I'll say yes to delete whatever I have created so far, the VPC, the EC2 instances, security groups, and entire elastic IP. So once this is done, we'll also clean up the files present here so that it will be ready for your demonstration whenever you are going to use it. In addition to that, if you see here in the references, all the documentation links, whatever is there here, all those things I have put it so that you can use them if required for reference. Okay, so that's about it. So let me get this deleted. So wait for all the resources to get deleted. All the resources got deleted. The next step is to also remove the .terraform folder and also terraform.tf state files and put the repository ready for you when you are going to use in your demos. Okay, so now I have nothing here other than C1, C2, C3, C4 and then Apache install. I'll also remove my backup folder which is not needed. So now if you see, only these files are there, C1, C2, C3, C4 and then Apache install.sh. okay, so now I have tested with this one. If you see in the C3, right, so I have used the user data like this and then tested. If you want to test using file function, just comment this this way, right, comment this out and then uncomment this out and then test it if you want. Okay, so I am again changing it back. Okay, but if you want, you can even test the file function like this and then it is going to work as expected. Okay, so this completes the Terraform resources meta argument depends on attribute. Okay, so in our next lecture we'll focus on learning about Terraform resources meta argument count. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.